Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai. We are learning the meaning of the verses of Sri Guru Gita based on Guru Gita Artheshwari, written by Her Highness Mahayogi Swami Umananda Saraswati. As asserted by Gurudev, Sri Guru Gita Mahamantra is a self-study that enhances and fosters the art of living in present age of darkness, known as the Kali Yuga. Today, we are going to learn the 53rd verse.
अभ्यस्तै सकलै सुदीर्घमनिलै व्याधिप्रदै दुष्करै प्राणायामशतैरनेककरणैर्दुःखात्मकै दुर्जयै यस्मिन्नभ्युदिते विनश्यति बली वायुः स्वयं तत्क्षणात् प्राप्तुं तत्सहजं स्वभावमनिशम् सेवत्वमेकं गुरुम्.
What is the use of practicing all these hundreds of rounds of long and deep pranayama, which are strenuous, tedious, hard to master, and likely to cause numerous diseases? Attain the spontaneous state in which the powerful prana becomes still of its own accord through continuous service to the Guru alone. By the grace of the Guru, prana finds its way to steadiness. One should serve the Guru continually and thus remain in the state of love constantly. There are so many various sadhanas of self-realization. As the seeker is, so he seeks and performs a particular sadhana according to his mentality. But the Guru Bhakti is such a type of sadhana that it can be performed by a child as well as a grown-up one also. The Guru Bhakti Yoga includes in it all other yogas also, such as Hatha Yoga, Raja Yoga, Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga. The Guru Bhakti Yoga is a complete yoga in itself and by itself. Once the Guru Bhakti is obtained, all the other yogas are practiced automatically. Then it is not necessary to make other efforts or take any other trouble. Hence, this stanza is insisting with so much stress that people unnecessarily get tired by the breathing exercises of the Hatha Yoga that causes pain in organs and senses and thereby punish their bodies. It is far better to serve the Guru in order to have the knowledge of the self. For the seeker who is a great devotee of the Guru, all the yogas are available without any special efforts on his part. A child in the arms of his mother travels easily, comfortably, and automatically. Similarly, the seeker who has obtained the Guru grace easily and effortlessly reaches the state of self-realization. Guru Kripa means the awakening of the Kundalini. The Kundalini Yoga includes all the yogas. The stress and strain with which the yogi does the sadhana are absent in the case of the Guru Bhakta, who walks on the path to self-realization happily and merrily, unlike the yogi. Guru Bhakti results in Guru grace. Sri Guru Gita prepares the seeker to become worthy of Guru Bhakti. Sri Guru Gita introduces us to the real Guru and tells the secret of Guru Bhakti Yoga and indicates a very easy and available sadhana. The Guru Prasannata, Guru Seva, Guru Dhyana, etc. are the various limbs of the Guru Bhakti Yoga. Sri Guru Gita is the scripture of Guru Bhakti, as it were. Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai.